Introducing the Renewal Schedule Report and Pending Renewals feature in FleetOnGo. Click on Reports and then Vehicle to navigate the Renewal Schedule Report. Click here to expand the section. Click Apply after selecting the date range. Select a vehicle and renewal type from the drop-down lists, along with body type and model. Then click Show to view the report or Excel to download it. Uncover additional options. Select Pending Renewals to check which renewals are still pending. Filter specifically for insurance renewals to maintain clarity in your review. Click Show to display or Excel to download the report. Choose a vehicle from the drop-down menu and click on Show. Then click Show to view the report or Excel to download it. Thank you for using FleetOnGo. This guide explains how to check the renewal schedule report and the pending renewals. Thank you.